Yes, y'all. Back at it. Live on Struggle TV. It's your host, the Struggle Chef, aka Chef Struglay. And you already know, man. You see the thumbnail, the title. It's the infamous turkey burger episode, y'all. You know, this burger is like polarizing. A lot of people like it. A lot of people don't like it. You know, you either or you not on the team. You know what I'm saying? And this is my version. So, like the head, here it go. Let's work. Well, all right, y'all. And as always, we got to start with our herbals. You know, our ingredients and all that. You know, we got our sage, we got rosemary, we got thyme, we got an onion. Really, we only need a half onion for this. We got a bell pepper, chicken bouillon base, some seasonings. You can use whatever seasonings you like. You know, this is the Struggle Cafe. We don't just, you know, if I tell you to use some Cajun seasoning, if you don't want it, you don't have to use it. You know, put whatever you like. It's your world, player. So we're gonna chop up our herbs, you know, dice them up nice and fine because you already know these, you know, kids ain't built like us. Back in the days, we used to, you know, eat them homemade burgers with the peppers and leaves sticking out the side with the Wonder Bread on them. We had to eat them like champs. But you already know. We got to chop up all our herbs and onions and all that for this generation because you know, they ain't having it. But I still like that flavor. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to dice up our onion. Like I said, you only really need a half a small onion for this. You don't really need a large onion like I got. Just chop it finely. You know, put it in your Struggle food processor like I got. This joint got cracks and all that in it. I didn't even notice that till I was making the video. Like, Lord. But yeah, get them in the food processor. Throw your garlic in there. Get your bell pepper. Half a bell pepper is fine. You know, if I had 2 pounds of turkey, ground turkey, then the onion would have been fine too. But it's all good. We're going to work around that. So like I said, just chop up your bell pepper finely. Not finely, just a rough chop. You don't let the food processor do all the work. No. So just get it in there, get it in your food processor. Got the chicken bouillon, that better than bouillon base. Just gonna throw like a teaspoon in there, a tablespoon, pardon me. And like I said, we're just gonna make like a slurry sofrito. Just let all that come together. And we're just going to pour that in our ground turkey as well. You know, once that come together. So, yeah, there you go. So we got our ground turkey, 85% lean, 15% fat. You know, do not mess around and get just 100% ground turkey. You will have a turkey milkshake messing around. So go ahead, throw your herbs in there. Get your seasonings in there. Like I said, it's 1.5 pounds. You know, roughly, maybe a little bit under. So just throwing in some salt, some slap your mama seasoning. Come on now, gotta say it right. So yeah, just a little bit. You know, like I said, 1.5 pounds. So maybe I'm only throwing in one teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. Because that chicken bouillon has salt in it too. So you're going to watch out for all that too. So I'm just going to throw a little bit in. Like I was eyeing it and I was already telling him like, yo, this might be a little bit too much. But we got it together. So I'm throwing in my egg in there. I'm just going to mix it together. Because I forgot to add in the breadcrumbs. But I got the breadcrumbs. They're there. I didn't have that much though. I didn't really know that until I was making the video. I always think I got everything. That's what we do here in the Struggle Cafe. We don't think. So just get it mixed together. Make sure all that seasoning, all your breadcrumbs, everything is just in there, just mixed very well because you don't want one side of your burger tasting like it got flavor. You don't want to be thinking the burger tastes good. Like I think it's good. You don't want that. You want to know for a fact. You know, that burger is hitting. So I'm just going to wrap it up because, like I said, it was a little bit too loose. I poured too much of that onion sofrito stuff in there. I didn't have enough breadcrumbs, so I put it in the refrigerator to chill. And I don't put cheese on my turkey burgers. I'm going to let y'all know right now, I do not put cheese on my turkey burgers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an aioli. I got this idea when I had a lamb burger one day, and I was like, I wonder if this would taste good on turkey. And yes, it does. So I'm just half and half mayonnaise, sour cream, fresh lemon juice. I'm even zest the lemon too. You know, grate in the fresh clover garlic. Give it that extra oomph. Just some oregano flakes, some chili powder, a little bit of salt and pepper, you know, to taste, depending on your taste. Like I said, we're gonna zest up some of the rest of that lemon that we use. We didn't need to zest a whole lemon or anything like that, because we're not making a whole bunch of aioli. Kids ain't, my kids don't eat this. But they got the cheese, so they Gucci. Plus, more aioli for me. You got French fries, some tortilla chips, something like that, some pita bread. This is a perfect little dip for it. So just mix it up together. Like I said, if you have to taste it, throw some salt and pepper in there. Don't throw too much in there, because like I said, you got enough flavor in that turkey burger. This is just a compliment. It's not gonna overpower it or nothing. It's gonna just, enhance the whole experience of eating this burger. So we got the ground turkey out the refrigerator. So we're just gonna form our patties now. It should be easy, but it's the Struggle Cafe and nothing goes as planned. We always doing something goofy. So I couldn't find my burger press. And my camera was dying at the same time. So I'm just over here not knowing it, forming these struggle patties. But I got it together. That's how they look. I just formed them up off camera, not knowing that my camera was dead, thinking I was doing something, but we got it together. And I put it in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. I put my burgers in there so they can solidify a little bit, because I didn't want them breaking down a little bit when I flipped them or anything. I wanted it, to be a perfect flip. So we're going to start off with the Jumbo Jet, the King Turkey Burger. You already know that's mine. And I basically just cook it until I can move it in the pan. If that thing don't slide and glide, it ain't time to flip it to the other side. You dig?
What?
So once it starts, sliding and gliding around the pan like that, then I know it's time to flip it. See? Perfect sear. Perfect crust. You know what I'm saying? So that was about maybe 2.5 minutes. And that was a jumbo joint. So I'm throwing in the juniors now. The turkey juniors. And they should cook for about maybe a minute and a half. Each side. So I got that flip on them, got that crust on them. You can see you can tell they juicy. Come on now. Only a fool can't see the jewel. You dig? Look at them things. And just in case, they ain't come out as juicy as I like to, I'm gonna throw some Kerrygold butter in there, turn the heat down, get that brown butter effect on them things. And then we good to go. Basically giving that that steakhouse type of flavor on there. Put the cheese on there for the juniors. The burgers are done. Time to build my joint. Start off with this regular old grocery store bread. You want that brioche fancy stuff, you can get that. Start with my patty, my aioli, some baby spinach, some seasoned sliced tomatoes. Come on now, we're gonna build this thing. Yeah. Get you that close-up look before I have to go and, handle this thing. There you go. Nice turkey burger. Hold on, let me get this taste for you. Cause I don't think y'all hear me. You see that? Juicy. Thumbs up. You already know. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna be out. Yeah, there you have it. Nice and easy juicy turkey burger. I'm trying to tell you, this is gonna be the easiest recipe that you ever gonna do and be like, oh snap, this actually tastes amazing. I'm a turkey burger fan now. So you already know. You got to the end of the video. As always, thanks for watching. If you liked it, you didn't like it, it don't matter. Like and subscribe. You dig? You know where we at. Peace.